5 minutes to choose the best emergency book for you around the world. I recommend this book, the book number 160, American Cut, the First 100 Years, by R. Here, Gilbertson from GA. This book published in 2007, 16 years ago, and 214 page talk about history, how to cut diamond. If you want to know all about, so let's check it out right now. So in the beginning, you can know here the first one, over rules of the American cut and mechanization, ingenuity, and Henry Dalton Morse, and then more innovation and the emergence of optic merchandising and the early year of the American cut, and Toshowski, Shipley, and JAs, and then put it all together. Okay, you can know like innovation from the beginning to right now, how to cut perfect shape, right? Perfect cuttings. So back there you can see here, this is the chart, right? This chart shows term used over the decade by jeweler and jewelry cutter to describe essential the same length of diamond proportion. Okay, this one show you from 1845 until 2005, right here. Yes, chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like this. So the whole books all inside. So the first, overview of the American cut, and then back there some history, and then all jewelry, so beautiful. They can just put rough diamond like that in the ring. It's so beautiful, antique design, right? And then this one talk about early idea about diamond angle and proportion. Okay, the first use of the term billions in association with diamond is believed to have been in France in 1564. Here some history. And then this one, the octahedral is the most common shape of rough uncut diamond found in nature, right? And this one, transparent and clear in back there. So this one, right, you can know octahedral, right? Octahedral shape, and after that you can cut in half, can cut into diamond, something like this. So beautiful. And then here some things talk about some history back there, history, and then here in the factory, right? And then this one show you some drawing from Henry Morse sketchbook. Okay, some old antique design for diamond cutting. And then Boston first cutting shop. After that, Morse and Field develop mechanical, boosting. And then okay, how to cut. They try to make cut diamond, many way to cut. And after that, a measurement of angle give way to the new cutting style. Here you can see how different the old cutting and new cutting, because the old one they cut they don't know, right? They just cut the maybe proportion is not perfect right now. The proportion, everything perfect, because the light can go through and make more diamond sparkle, right? But back there maybe too too shallow or too narrow. It just depends of the diamond. So if you want to cut like an ideal diamond cut, so you can follow into the cutting in the present. Okay, and then back there you can know the how to cut. Here moth liberation spread. Okay, they try to cut many way and make beautiful and selling. Okay, many thing antique. And Herman and Tiffany follow Morse. And Morse cut the Tiffany too. Morse was asked to cut what had turned the largest diamond pulpit in United States, 1883. A very big diamond. This one, Morse cut the 125 carat yellow crystal to a 77 carat finished diamond. Here, after cut, right, and then more innovation and the emergence of optic. Chapter 3. Okay, mechanical drop solving, and then some drawing how to cut. They try to develop more brilliant like. And then here some machine, diamond cross cutting machine, and optic ray tracing and diamond, and angle, gauge and proportion. Talk about the detail they cut. Okay, how many degrees, something like that back there. And then merchandising and the every year of the American cut. This is a small part of the large market goal. Okay, so talk about the market. And then diamond cut in 1902. Location have in Amsterdam, Antwerp, London, France, Paris, Geneva, Berlin, German, and Oberstein, United States. Also, and I have factory, right? How many factory, and then how many worker back there. So interesting. The chart show the number of worker and factory cutting diamond in Europe and America in 1902 as a report by Kunt. And then American cut is born. Okay, what happens Smith and Knapp. And the retail Euro trade, diamond marketing, and scientific cut diamond, term scientific cutting. And then proportion information to giving the jewelry trade and public. Okay, have more details, and then you can know, right, more sparkle diamond if you cut too deep, right, and then the light is not go to your eye. It just don't have more brilliance, right, which is just the design, right. English square cut, said how to cut. It have a high crown and a high pavilion also, something like this. You can see different back there. Cut until now. Cut the American cut table side. Go how many degree, the height, cullet. Okay, back there they put a very big cullet. You can see. Just the thing they popular there, and then reviewer in London and a possible American influence competing European cut style, and the early here diamond cutting style. And then this one, okay, the diamond cutting back there until you see 1939. And after that, Tokowski and Shipley and J.A., the evolution of the American cut raw brilliant can be separated into the three distinct phase change in diamond cutting. Okay, proportion, And then you can know the changing world of diamond cutting. Okay, cut it more better, more brilliant. And then you can know here the pavilion angle, crown angle, total depth, pavilion depth, crown depth, table depth. Tell you everything in here, right? You can see what different. And Robert Shipley and GIA, what happened? Okay, some history you can learn. And what anyone cutting the American cut diamond, Shipley and GIA approach to cutting style of the day. European vs American cut in 1931, GIA coarse material. Okay. And then now Ravilion in 1920 to 1930. You see how different between the back then to this year, right? So interesting. Tell you everything about how to cut diamond, right? And then put it all together. What put it all together? The recovery from the war and there will be an influence. Okay, and lyrical established cut evolution. This is a chart how to cut percentage reproduction chart for diamond color and imperfection grade. Very good book. This one, early success of JA cut evaluation system. 4C, right? Relationship to market value. Accurate measurement of proportion and cut evaluation fulfill a dream, right? Yes, everything's very good about cutting history. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you tomorrow. ขอบคุณค่ะ